song's called Whiskey's Fault. Some days I can't find the words, they're scattered in my head. Sometimes I have to push myself to get up out of bed. Demons taunt my troubled mind, sleep gets hard to find. It's not anything I've done or something that I do, but there's a constant battle between the lies and the truth. And oftentimes I lose my way when black and white turn gray. Tonight there's a fight between a bar stool and the Bible. One's got hold of my soul and one's a shot glass of denial. It's easier to pour than ignore the doubt sticking into my thoughts. But it ain't all the whiskey's fault. Might be hard to understand what I think and feel. This ain't where I wanna be. The struggle here is real. Blurred lines only hide reality for a while. Tonight there's a fight between a bar stool and the Bible. One's got hold of my soul and one's a shot glass of denial. It's easier to pour than ignore the doubt sneaking into my thoughts. But it ain't all the whiskey's fault. 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 It ain't all the whiskey's fault.